Good morning, everyone. This is Ramon Escalera with PayDailyLife.com and Sawwp. Alrighty. You asked me, a few of you asked me, how do I track my ads and what are they doing? My ads, how are the people responding and signing up for my products? Where are they coming from? This and that. Well, to keep track of your signups, where they're coming from, you obviously have to use the autoresponder from Sawwp. The only way to do it is you have to get your signups information coming from somewhere, and to capture the information, obviously use our autoresponder. Now you can track your links, as you can see here. All you have to do is when you log into your autoresponder in your back office, you click on Stats and Tracking, go to Edit and Manage Tracking Links. Once you do so, it's going to take you to this page. And then you're going to add a new tracking link. You're going to click that here. Okay? Once you do so, short description of your tracking link, enter your cost of the product that you are tracking. So if you're selling something, you would add obviously the price and numbers. To enter the selling price, enter the vendor's name, enter the URL that someone gets sent to when they click your tracking link. So it's all here. This is how you save your tracking link and so on, whatever. And then you click save, and that's it. Now you're going to be able to track where these people are coming from, what they're paying, how much they're paying, and so on. It'll be all here, and that way you can keep your stats tracked. That being said, I mainly wanted to make this video for people who need like a newsletter. I'm not partaking in. I'm not speaking of an autoresponder to sell your products or business. I'm speaking of someone that is in. Maybe they have a product or business already. Maybe they have a tools program already, or maybe they have something, but they don't have something to send them, like a newsletter to keep people and customers informed of their products. And they want to add it to their website. They want a way to do it, but they don't want to pay a lot of money to use a business like that, or a tools business like that. That's where we come in. I mean, for $7 a month, you cannot beat it. I mean, they can use the free autoresponder to start sending messages out to this newsletter, but you can only have 10, and you cannot add anybody on your own to your autoresponder unless you come in at the level 1, which is a $7 level. Not only will you be able to add people to your autoresponder, but you're going to also have a bunch more messages available at your disposal once you go in and factor yourself in and become a paid member for $7 and go from there. I stutter a lot in the morning. It's because I have a lot of coffee and I want to say 3 million things at once, but I can't. I'm just being real. But that being said, the simple way to do that is this. You come in, you go to form code. Okay, this is what the form code is going to look like. It's not extravagant, doesn't have any colors, anything crazy. It's just a basic form code. I mean, you can't beat it. All you need to do is capture people's information. You're not trying to sell them on your form code. You're just trying to have them fill it out. So I'm just going to choose a small one. So just for instance, I'm just going to click generate small form code. As you can see, this is the basic of what's already going to be on the form code. Additional stuff, once you hit continue, you can ask for additional information that you need to capture in the form code. If you're signing someone up for a newsletter that's on your blog or website, I'm going to show you one that I've made a few minutes ago. I made a form code specifically for my blog that's on my website, and I just put for news, info, and tips and tricks, sign up here. And it's just got the first name, last name, and email. That is it. And then I put click me instead of subscribe. Subscribe is the basic. To subscribe for a newsletter of some sort that you are offering tools and training. So I offer a lot of tools and training in my autoresponder, so I figured why not put that on my blog? It would not hurt. And then again, of course, you can market whatever product it is that you're selling in between emails. Maybe every fourth email you would send like a product advertisement of whatever it is that you're choosing to sell. That being said, First name, last name's over. I mean, the first name and email is already the basic. Now you want to click on last name, and if you want to capture any other information, just click on that. You can use a capture. So if you click on use capture image, you go down. You can ask questions. I mean, you can really start getting detailed in this thing, and start really getting real detailed in what you want to add to your form code. Once you're finished, you hit continue, and voila, here's your form code. Now your form code is already made, so all you got to do is select all, copy it. Okay. Now for 1 second, let's go back for 1 second. You see where it says subscribe here? A lot of people don't like the word subscribe. You can add join now. You can add. Let me show you exactly. Just all you got to do is delete that little part where it says subscribe. Do not delete the parentheses. Make sure you only the words alone, and only the letter alone. All right. So when you go in, you can click. Let me see. I'm just gonna put join now for free. Just again, this is just a test, and that's it. And once you're done, you just select all. All right. Copy it and add it to your website. It's that simple. Once you do that, you're all set to go. You can just add it anywhere on whatever website you are using. I already have a form code with Weebly. It's already built into the system. I don't know why this thing's taking forever to load. Let me refresh this. Let's see. Yeah, something's wrong with Weebly or my computer. Very slow. That's not good. Got something running in the background. I wish I knew what it was. I added a new anti-spyware type thing, and it's slowing down my computer. But I gotta figure that out. Anyways, to make a long story short, I have a form code already built. Weebly already has a form code, so what I'm gonna do is it looks like this, but yours are gonna look identical with Sawwp. The Sawwp autoresponder form code, it looks like this. It's gonna have first name, last name, but it's gonna be from top to bottom, email, and then you'll have like a submit button or whatever here. The way to get the form code, again, you just copy it, the form code, add it to whatever website you have, and paste it, and that's it. And then obviously you want to add whatever description you want to enter above the form code, so when they go ahead and that capture their eyes of what you're offering, maybe some training, some tips, some tools, free products, anything of that nature, then they'll fill it out right in there. And you're going to have a capture. The capture is so computer generated emails won't be signing up for your phone code and just sending you bogus stuff. Obviously, the Weebly one does not have that feature, which is terrible, because it would definitely be great if we could. It would definitely be great if we could have a capture. That way we can stop these automated programs, from filling out the form codes. But that being said, it's that easy to do. You can track, like at the beginning of the video, I showed you how you can track your links, and I showed you how you can add the autoresponder and use it as a newsletter. To create messages is very easy to do with the Sawwp. To create messages for your autoresponder, you just go to messages here and view and add messages. Okay. Let it load up, and here we go, and the messages will be here. Now if you want to add a new message, as you can see here, I got about 24 messages, but if you want to add a message, I'm allowed 50. I mean, I don't know how many people need 50 messages to send out to a prospect. If you're trying to sell a product, they should have already bought it within the 10th email, the most. I mean, between 3 and 7 emails they should have bought into the program. If not, they're most likely not going to bother to purchase it, but they might not be reading all the emails. So again, that's why I added about 24 emails. Some of it is selling the product, some of it is training, some of it is just education. A lot of some of it's just videos of education and so on. But to add a message is simple. Just hit set up new message and type in, if you want it in plain text, HTML, you want to add pictures and so on. So if you have a newsletter, you have templates and all that, go ahead. You can add, again, set up new message. Let me show you. I'm just going to do this quickly. Hopefully I can do this quickly. I'm going to add HTML. I'm going to hit next step. There's something running in the background because my pointer keeps blinking crazy. I think that's what's slowing down my internet, but I don't know what it is. I gotta check it out. But anyways, that being said, you can add the delay of the message, which means when do you want the message sent out so people can see it. When do you want what subject line? So say if you're in a newsletter and you're blogging and you want to add something in your newsletter and you're selling chips. I'm going to put delicious chocolate chips. I'm just having fun here. All right, so once you do something like that and you want to add, I don't know, whatever text you want to add, you can add text. You can add, again, these are custom information here that you would like to add, like the subscriber's first name. So you just click on that and boom, there it is. Now the first name will appear in the email when you send it. Then you can add, I don't know, if you have a question, custom answers, questions, unsubscribe links, if you want to add this unsubscribe link feature, which is already automatically in our autoresponder. The dates, let's see here. There's a bunch of open HTML open rate tracker, so you can track HTML messages only. So HTML open rate tracker, so you can you can track your URL if people are opening your email and so on. That there, you can change the formatting. This is a lot of good stuff. I mean, let's see, border. Let's select this one. Okay, apply. Okay. I mean, it's just there's a lot of stuff you can do to this email HTML. As you can see here, this is the plain text on the bottom. When you do HTML, you got to do the regular HTML, and then you got to add to it. But look, you can add HTML, and you can add the form code, believe it or not, from your autoresponder in here. I think I still have it. There it is. Apply. Okay, here we go. Here's the autoresponder that we made earlier, so you can add it to your email. But I don't know why you would do that. Maybe you're promoting something else and you want to add the form code within your email so they can sign it, and then you can send them to another autoresponder and build relationships between products and so on. There's a lot of things you can do with this. I'm telling you, this video, pictures, links. I was looking for something else that I happened to fall upon it not too long ago. Now I just can't seem to find it. Let's see what this is. So you can add a button. Okay, there it is. I mean, nothing spectacular, but you can definitely you can add a button of your own, or you can add a picture button and add a link to it. It all depends on what you want to do. Special characters. All right, we don't need none of that right now. Let me just clear it all. All right. Here's a line. That's cool. That's always nice to have a nice line to. Style selection. Is this what I need? I'm trying to build like a newsletter. Here we go. Yes, this is nice. See, you want a style selection. See, so now it looks like a newsletter. You added the line. Now you obviously won't be typing as far as here. And then you can add obviously your whatever. You can add. Where is it? Font. The different fonts. So if you want to add like a signature, cursive. Here we go. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our newsletter. We have some great information and products we will love to share with you all. Our chocolate. Jeez, I can't type today. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just messing around over here. Oh my God, IOUS. There we go. Here's your newsletter. Someone subscribes. Now you can add as many messages, depending on where you are on in the Sawwp opportunity. You can add as many messages as you want of whatever it is that you want to tell. If you're a rapper and you're making music, you want to send out your videos, your YouTube videos, instead of blasting your link out to people and they just clicking on it. Hopefully, you're hoping that they click on it. Why not have an autoresponder? Start sending your videos out to these people because they can sign up for your newsletter, your news link, or your music link. You can think about that. You can add your videos right in the email. You can add a sign up form, a place where they can go purchase your download, or they can go download your music, or they can purchase your tracks. Everything could be in the autoresponder with your customers. Hello, I'm back. I know this video's been all over the place, but I do apologize. I'm just trying to pretty much help everyone in bits and pieces of how to use the autoresponder, whether you're trying to add the form code into your website, or building a newsletter, or adding messages. I know I touched on a lot of things in this video, but it's specifically for the Sawwp opportunity, so people can understand that you have a powerful system within your Sawwp autoresponder. It truly is a great thing to have. If you want to add, say you're like I was speaking, if you're in the music, whatever genre of music you're in, and you want to add your video on here, enter and paste your form code or the URL right here. Hit OK. Let me just get a sample of. Let me just add this one here. This is Graham Frame, the owner of Sawwp. The opportunity that I'm speaking of as right now is who I'm speaking of. I'm sure you guys know Graham Frame, but I'm going to add the link here. Paste. OK. Hello, folks, ladies and gentlemen. That looks like a video inside the newsletter, inside the email. When people click on it, come on, and it just plays inside the email. Think about how powerful that is. They don't have to go to YouTube. If they decide to, obviously they'll click here, but it's going to be playing in the email. So it's very powerful. So if you got music and you want to advertise your new music, your new newsletter, your new product, it doesn't matter. It does not matter. We have a powerful system to help you and assist you with whatever it is you're selling. And whatever it is you're selling. Great opportunity with Sawwp. I mean, the newsletter is amazing. The autoresponder is amazing. If you decide to make it into a newsletter, so be it. You add as many messages as you want as you move up in the program. Share this with other bloggers. Share this with other people. Share this with anyone and everyone who needs our tools. Let me pause that. But this is how easy it is to keep in touch with your customers, your clients, your team. It does not matter. Add the information. Again, this would be a great. You can add graphics, video. You can change the colors. I mean, you can pretty much do anything and everything you want to this autoresponder. And you can add pictures of yourself. It doesn't matter. You can really start to get into detail of how you wanted it to look like, how you want it to look like exactly. So I do apologize. This video is taking a little longer than expected, But once you are done, you click save. Now the message is saved and you're good to go. Alrighty, so that being said, I'm going to end this video. It's just an extra training on the autoresponder, how to track. Again, I showed you how to track. I showed you how to send messages, how to add and send messages, how to use the form code. And if you want to add a subscriber, say you know a few people that are interested, that might be interested into the Sawwp opportunity or whatever business it is that you're selling, and you're signed up, you have your autoresponder working, click on subscribers and click on add a single subscriber. You see here, click on that. You're going to put their first name, their last name, the email, and whatever message you want to start them on down here, and then click add now. Once that's done, once your autoresponder starts to cycle out, they'll get the message immediately. Boom. That easy. If you want to test your messages, click here and click on test all messages. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. Okay, boom. All the messages have been tested. So I'm going to go to my email. All right, I got a bunch of here they come. See here, they're all coming in. I got to keep refreshing. There they go. They're trickling in. Here's my message. It should be about 24 eventually. It's going to be 24 of them. But as you can see here, this is all about the opportunity of Sawwp. I mean, think about how powerful this is when your customers are getting all these emails on different days and days that you set and so on. I mean, I cannot tell you how great this is. I mean, click on here. Here we go. Welcome to the most powerful marketing training platform in our industry, designed to assist you to leverage the internet and to explode your network marketing business that you are currently building. I'm going to assume that you are here because you are serious about building your current business into a thriving and wildly profitable empire. You visited my website because you are looking for solutions. The two main problems facing most network marketers today are lack of leads and lack of money. Okay. These two obstacles are actually very easy to overcome if you apply the training and tactics we teach you here at Sawwp. Now, when you click on this link, it'll be my training. The training link, the training website for Sawwp. That's exactly what that is. You know you need to learn marketing and how to generate hundreds of leads of your own leads. Forget buying expensive deadbeat leads. Forget chasing. I mean, that's it. I'm marketing within my autoresponder. This is how simple it is to start building your clientele within the autoresponder. These are pre-designed messages I've made before. And if you want a copy of this stuff, it's very easy to do. You just let me know. I'll let you copy the code. I give you the password. So if you have an autoresponder within Sawwp, I'll send it to you. But you have to change the links to yours because every autoresponder is different. So I encourage you to use your own and add your own messages. But if you would like to, let me know. I have some pre-made emails. I have about 9 of them that you can use. That being said, let me stop blabbering. 25 minutes. Oh my gosh. Listen. I love helping. I love training. I love assisting. I love teaching. Listen, I'm not gonna beg you for $7. It's plain and simple. The opportunity to Sawwp, the cost is only $7. If you cannot afford $7, then this ain't for you. It's that simple. I'm looking for paid members now. I have a bunch of free members I'm marketing to. A lot of them haven't even touched base with me to at least let me teach them. So maybe they're reading the emails, maybe they're not. I'm not sure. I mean, I've gotten responses from a few of them, and I'm training a few of them, and many of them are making money now. If you're looking to make money within Sawwp for $7, great opportunity, great products, great price. Get with the person that showed you a video, the opportunity of Sawwp, whatever it is, and get started today. I mean, you cannot beat it. And for the cost of only $7, you get the free hosting. Obviously, I was using my Weebly website because I already ordered 2 years in advance of my Weebly hosting. So once that's done, I'm obviously gonna, transfer it to my Sawwp free hosting, and I'm gonna start really working on my websites and getting it really, to how I want it to look like. I'm gonna design it how I want it to look like, and without no limitations, because I am limited with the Weebly. But that being said, that's all I want to say, I guess. Thank you for watching this video. I touched base on a lot of things, but I was just trying to teach everybody how to use autoresponder, what it can do, and so on. That's it. Thank you. Have yourself a wonderful, beautiful day.